Mobile, adding parts from van stock. Welcome to this tutorial on adding parts from van stock, using your mobile application. In order for you to add parts to a job from your van stock, your company must have first set up your van as a mobile location. Also, the parts in question must have been added as a stock record against your van. Select the Parts option from the Visits section of the job. Choose the part required, as shown in this example. To view how to choose a part, see the Adding Parts video tutorial. Select the Used option. Then slide the option to Issue Part from Stock. Now choose your van from the drop-down Location menu and the Rack shelf from its drop-down menu. Then select Save. You have now issued the part from your van stock. Thank you for watching this tutorial.